just leaving Lithia Park in Ashland, Oregon. Spent a little time taking pictures, hanging out.
Enjoying the day.
Enjoying the day. Oh yeah. I don't think you could have picked a better day to take a road trip. Honestly.
Gorgeous.
It's like probably 75 degrees, 72 degrees. Sunny, slight breeze.
There you go.
Yep. Abraham Lincoln used to be sitting on that rock. I was gonna have backstory on that, but it's ruined now because he's not there anymore. Sadness. Just depressing. There's the Lithia water. Alkaline, nasty water. I mean, it's great. You should try it. You come into Ashland, you should definitely try that. Absolutely, just drink a lot of it. It's good for you. Yeah. Back in California. Yay. It was good while it lasted. I didn't even buy anything that was like at a store. So I didn't have to pay sales tax. I wasn't able to not pay sales tax. Corvette. You kind of saw it. Well, I don't see a CHP anywhere.
I guess they're probably radio ahead.
They probably radio ahead and you're probably be screwed. That'd be hilarious though.
That would be, right? Hello. Thank you. Take care. Have a good day.
Well, that was easy. Sweet.
Very nice.
Welcome to California. She said sweet.
Sweet door.
See, she would have been fine with you doing that.
Yeah, right.
She wouldn't have cared.
Maybe.
She probably would have been like, that's sick. I'm calling ahead.
Yeah, calling it in.
Hey, it's that guy again.
You pass this guy already?
I think so. Unless there's another black truck that's all like that.
Road River, Oregon.
I don't know. We're back, baby. Not really. 4 hours later. Okay, here's the next goal. This guy is only 66 and has a sticker on the back window that we don't know how old that was. tell by his hair it's windy. I'm in shorts again. I didn't learn. That's cold. We're about 12 minutes out, I'd say. 15 minutes out from Phil's propellers. And it is 5:55.
So we're on pace, 7 minutes late.
Yeah. We're gonna get there about 7 minutes after they close. So close. It was that sandwich that did it.
Yeah, right?
Shit, never went to Subway.
Yeah. Nah, Subway was good.
Yeah, it was needed. But you can take a picture in front of it. Wop, wop, wop. They're closed.
Rubber twisted.
Aw, darn. Oh, there's no way we're gonna get there. They close at 5. Oh, on the...
Oh, that's at 6. Oh, but then... Oh, because it's open.
Yeah.
Oh, we were back. Yeah, never made it.
Never mind. We're nowhere close. It's over. Nowhere close. Back to the thing before you get too wet. Never mind. We're getting wet. Top of the window's leaking. Windshield.
No, that's car in the rain.
Yeah, this car doesn't go in the rain. Look at hang on, Mike. There you go. There it is. Drive faster. Let the water go over the top. That's on the inside.
That's my turn.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's like solid rain now.
It's stop it. I'll plug it. Yeah, that's solid right now. Like rain. This car has been in rain like a long time.
We avoid it.
Yeah, we tend to avoid this. It's a double rainbow. You can see both ends of it. That's insane. And there's no. Yeah, dude. That's a pretty solid picture. That's insane. I've never seen that before.
Never flew that high.
Dang it. Yeah, Rainbow's still sort of there. They're closed. Speed limit 15 miles an hour. You can see a corner right there. You can see coming up the hill over there. There's, on that side's the short track over there. On that side. And that's part of the long track where you can see that hill right there. Because it's a 3-mile track over here. And it's a 5-mile track over there. With well, 5-mile total. But, alright. It's picture time. TBD. Alright. Well, leaving Thunder Hill. Everything you envisioned?
It was great. Fantastic. We have a very cool spot. Come back when they're open.
Come back when they're open. Like everything else.
Yeah, right. Nah, it's cool. Been to the gates of lots of racetracks.
Been to the gates of lots of racetracks. Yeah.
That's what happens on a Monday afternoon.
Right? Everything's closed. You just go and chill.
It was good to see it.
Yeah, it's a cool racetrack. Makes you want to go around and do some turn stuff. Your drag racer guy's like, you know what? I want to go left and right. That seems like fun. That would be the spot. We'll go out there when they do the autocross stuff at some point. That'd be fun. Back on the road. Until next. It is a CHP. I didn't do it. It was not me. Officer, I didn't do it. I wasn't even drinking this time. He seemed angry. Agitated. Oh. I think people hit each other. Or something. Hey, look at the Camaro!
Oh, right on. Oh, that doesn't seem right.
There's all kinds of stuff going on right now. And he's driving with his door open. I'm confused. What's he?
Doesn't look to leave. See that.
Right. I wasn't trying to run, officer. That Camaro's sick.
Talk about out of Dukes of Hazzard.
That is like straight out of Dukes of Hazzard. Look at those wheels.
68, baby.
Check it out.
The Mickey Mouse antenna ball.
It's got the Mickey Mouse antenna ball. Yeah, those are
That's
insane.
Got the silver painted rims.
Those are legit the Dukes of Hazzard wheels.
It does have Dukes of Hazzard wheels on it.
That's awesome. This is the last time we're getting gas today. Like fourth time.
Fourth time.
Stinking 16-gallon tank. It's all good though. Nova's doing good. It doesn't care. Hasn't cared at all today. Sun's going down. Good drive. Good overall road trip. Good cannonball.
Last shot and get it to go to bed. Perfect time.
And for me to go to bed.
Oh, my back. Right. I had to laugh at that one too.
Yeah. They changed the
Yeah, right.
popping in. We're stuck. Okay, so that's a wrap on our Cannonball road trip to Oregon and back. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed watching part 1 and part 2 of this video. You're gonna see a lot more coming up for that car. A lot more. And some of this. And a lot more stuff going on. So until next time, check back in later. Thanks.